Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a unique and beautiful fusion of yoga, acrobatics, and healing arts called AcroYoga. It's more than just a practice. AcroYoga builds trust, cultivates connection, and strengthens the mind and body. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced yogi, this form of yoga is both challenging and rewarding. In today's video, we'll explore the fundamentals, benefits, and how you can get started with AcroYoga. Section 1. What is AcroYoga? So, what exactly is AcroYoga? AcroYoga is a dynamic partner-based practice that blends the flexibility and mindfulness of yoga with the strength and coordination of acrobatics. Typically, there are three roles in AcroYoga: the base, the flyer, and the spotter. The base remains grounded, supporting the flyer, who is lifted and balanced in various poses. The spotter helps ensure safety and alignment, making AcroYoga a collaborative experience. AcroYoga isn't just about performing cool tricks, it's about cultivating trust with your partner, developing deep communication, and building a stronger connection, both physically and emotionally. Each session is a lesson in balance and cooperation. Section 2. The key elements of AcroYoga. There are three main elements in AcroYoga. Number 1. L-basing. This is the foundation of AcroYoga. The base lies on their back with their legs extended upward, supporting the flyer in various postures. It's perfect for building core strength and balance. Number 2. Acrobatic flying. Once you've got the basics down, acrobatic flying comes into play. This involves dynamic movement, where the flyer transitions between different poses while balancing on the base. It's a great way to improve body awareness and trust. Number 3. Therapeutic flying. AcroYoga also offers a healing aspect, where the base supports the flyer in gentle, therapeutic stretches. The flyer is passively stretched, similar to Thai massage, which helps in muscle relaxation and stress relief. These elements work in harmony to make AcroYoga a holistic practice that nurtures both the body and the mind. Section 3. Benefits of AcroYoga. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of AcroYoga. Whether you're an experienced yogi or a total beginner, AcroYoga offers something for everyone. Number 1. Physical strength. Both the base and flyer engage muscles in ways traditional yoga doesn't. Core strength, leg strength, and upper body strength are all tested and improved through practice. Number 2. Flexibility. AcroYoga improves flexibility for both partners. The dynamic and therapeutic stretches involved can help lengthen and release tight muscles. Number 3. Improved balance and coordination. The coordination between partners ensures both participants improve their balance, agility, and body control. Number 4. Trust and communication. One of the most profound benefits is the deep level of trust and communication it fosters between partners. You learn to rely on each other in ways that extend beyond the physical practice. Number 5. Stress relief and emotional connection. The therapeutic side of AcroYoga can help you relax and unwind while forming a deeper emotional bond with your partner. Section 4. How to get started with AcroYoga. If you're new to AcroYoga, here are some tips to get you started. Number 1. Find a partner. AcroYoga is all about collaboration, so find a friend family member or join a local class where you can partner up. Number 2. Start with the basics. Begin with foundational poses like the bird pose or front plank. These will help you develop the strength and balance needed for more advanced moves. Number 3. Use a spotter. Always have a spotter when you're trying new poses. They will help keep you safe and ensure proper alignment. Number 4. Practice trust and communication. AcroYoga is as much about communication as it is about strength and flexibility. Always keep an open dialogue with your partner to ensure comfort and safety. Section 5. Common misconceptions and FAQs. Before we wrap up, let's address a few common misconceptions and questions about AcroYoga. Do I need to be super flexible or strong to start? No, AcroYoga is accessible to all levels. Flexibility and strength come with practice, and you can always adapt poses to your level. Is AcroYoga dangerous? Like any physical activity, safety is key. Always practice with a spotter and start slow to minimize the risk of injury. Can I practice AcroYoga if I don't have a partner? Yes, many yoga studios and communities offer AcroYoga classes where you can pair up with someone in class. You can also attend workshops or events to meet potential partners. AcroYoga is an amazing way to connect with yourself and others, build strength, and experience the beauty of shared movement. Whether you're here for the acrobatics, the therapeutic side, or simply to try something new, AcroYoga has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more yoga content. Drop a comment below if you've tried AcroYoga or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.